welcome to this short walkthrough of a couple of productivity hacks that you can use in Flow. When selecting items, whether that's in an edit or in a transfer, there are different ways you can do so. There are different selection modes, and when you're editing a transfer where the order of the selection matters, there's also a drag select mode that can be changed within the settings. To start, I'll go to the Builder tab, and I'll quickly create a basic transfer. I'll do this quickly as going over it would be out of scope of this video. When it comes to my Zone 2 plate, I have access to 4 selection types on the bottom of the screen. I have Select All, which just selects all of the items on the plate. Single, which allows me to just click any one item at a time. Row, which allows me to select entire rows of items. Now this may be a bit confusing because it does look like a column, but that's because Flow rotates the plates. When discussing SPS plates, people usually think about them as rotated 90 degrees clockwise to what's on Flow. As expected, the column select will select things in columns. Now if I close out of this and go into the settings, scroll down, I can see that there's a drag selection mode, and this allows me to pick either rows or columns. This comes in handy when I'm creating a transfer, so I'll switch over to that screen now. Now that I'm in the transfer configuration window, when I'm selecting a source and then selecting a number of wells via the drag select, an order is chosen for me. So this is the order in which liquid will be dispensed into these wells. The drag select changes the order in which these are chosen. So at the moment, they're chosen in rows. And then if I switch to columns in the drag select setting, then the selection order will be in columns instead. And that's about it for this one. It's very simple to know about, but it's also very handy. If you have any questions, check out the article that's linked, or get in touch with one of us at Vion Scientific.